Hi, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of spending endless hours digging through research papers for your literature review? Today, I am introducing you to Elicit AI. It's a powerful tool that simplifies your research process and makes reviewing the literature easier than ever. So in this video, I am going to walk you through how to use Elicit AI step by step to get the best results. Let's dive in. Now, this is the website Elicit AI. As you can see from the hero screen, analyze research papers at span human speed. Automate your time-consuming research tasks like summarizing papers, extracting data, and synthesizing your findings. So what you need to do at first is to sign in. That's if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just click on the sign up. But I do have an account already. I want to click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, there will be an interface where you are to log in with any of these. Continue with GitHub, continue with Google. Let me just use my Google account. So I selected Google account. Trying to log in now. Right. Good. I am already inside the app. So this is how it works. There's an input box around here where you can decide to ask some questions. If you are carrying out a research on any phenomenon and you want to know what has been done, you want to know the gap, you want to know some empirical findings, you want to know some theoretical background that can help in a question or that research you have in mind. This is where you are going to import it. So let's say, for example, I am carrying out a research on bullying behavior among adolescents in Nigeria. So this is the research question I have in mind, and I want to find papers. So when I have entered what I have in mind, so I want to click on this arrow box, this arrow icon rather. So when you click on it, it's going to load and it's going to give me some findings on bullying behavior among Nigerian adolescents. Now, as you can see, it has given me a summary of top four papers on this behavior. As you can see from the right top, bullying is a prevalent issue among Nigerian adolescents, with studies reporting high rates of verbal, social, and physical bullying by Akume 2019 and Amotisha 2010. Factors associated with bullying behavior include classroom size, exposure to violent media. So this just gives me a summary of top four papers. Now, the interesting part of this app for me, Elicit AI, is the fact that we can dig to know more findings. And this app is different from ChatGPT. If you use ChatGPT, you understand the fact that ChatGPT normally gives references that are not correct. Or all of these references here, I can assure you they are correct. Because if I click on Akume 2019, this is the title of that paper, Akume 2019, and I go to Google Scholar, and I paste in that title and search. you see from the uh, search results on Google Scholar, as you can see, classroom sites as predictor of behavior among secondary school students. In 2019, I can get the citation either MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, or Vancouver. So if I want to make use of this, I just highlight it, copy it, and paste it wherever as a reference list, and I can cite it as one of the articles I have reviewed. Now, let's go back to the app, back to Notebook. So this is a formal summary of top 4 papers in that field, and this application has some pro elements. So it has a premium version that if you want a summary of more than 4, you can select it, but that is for premium version. But I want to tell you the free version is more than enough for what you need to do on this app. So beyond just the summary of top 4 papers, there are some other things that we can also find out. Now, this is the summary of the 4 papers in that research. This is the summary. If you go further, there is an option that says load more. Load more. So when you click on load more, it's going to give us more research findings in that line. As you can see, this is the summary of the abstract on these articles. This is the summary of the abstract. I know there are some lazy researchers that reading a full research paper looks like a lot of task, but this app makes it simple already. It gives you the summary of the abstract. According to this study, classroom science is a significant predictor of bullying behavior among Nigerian secondary school students. In this other one, client-centered therapy are effective in reducing bullying behavior. If you read through, it gives you a summary. Like I already have like 8 papers, or more than 8 already. More than 8 already. By the time you start clicking on load more, you start getting results. Start getting results on studies that have been carried out on bullying behavior. Now, beyond just the abstract summary, you also have an option to get like the summary, the main findings, the methodology that was used, the intervention that was used, the outcome measure, the limitations, the intervention effect, summary of introduction, summary of discussion, study design, study objective, theoretical framework use, etc. Even the research gap. Now let's say for example now, I from all of these studies that have been carried out on bullying behavior, I am interested in knowing the main findings. Remember, this is just the abstract summary, but I need a column that is going to give me the main findings. So what I need to do is to click on main findings. So when I click on main findings, as you can see, there's another box on the right hand side that is already summarizing the main findings from these research papers. This is the abstract summary. I told you I'm not interested. I am interested in the main findings. Now look at the main findings from this first research. Then the study found high prevalent rates of verbal bullying, 42.5%, social bullying, blah blah blah, among secondary school students. If you dig further, you see the main findings from other research papers. That is main findings. Apart from main findings, you can also look at okay, what methodology was used in all of these papers. You can select methodology. When you click on methodology, Okay. Look at this scroll box. See, I'm scrolling. When I scroll to the last one, you see there's a methodology column already set up because we selected methodology. As you can see, for for the first study, classroom size as a predictor of building behavior, the methodology that was used is a multi-stage sampling approach to select the study location, school, and 391 student participants. Data collection were used using the school causation questionnaire. This study quasi-experimental research design with a 3 by 2 factorial design using two experimental group and one control group. This one 3 by 2 by 2 pre-test, post-test experimental design with two treatment groups. If you dig further, you see more uh, research methods that have been used in each of the study that we have selected, and more you can select, whatever you need, Now, another interesting thing about this app is the fact that you you can decide to say, okay, you want the papers that be summarized for you to be within a year. For example, uh 2022 to 2024. Okay, let's say I want a research from 2020. Then if I apply this, you can select as PDF or not. You can select the study type. Is it a review, a meta-analysis, or a systematic review? That choice is best selected for you, depending on anyone you need. So when you click on apply, so it's now going to give me findings from 2020 to 2024. We can let's confirm. Let me scroll to the first one. As you can see, the first paper, bullying behavior among children and adolescents, 2020. Prevalence and correlate of bullying behavior among Nigerian middle school students, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2022, 2021, and I can click on load more. This is 5. If I click on load more, it's going to give me more findings from 2020 to 2024. These are another study 2021, 2021, 2021. Now, most of the time, how I use this app is most time I want to go through the abstract, I want to go through the main findings. So let's say the summary. I'm interested in this paper now, bullying behavior among Nigerian children. So I want to just copy it. I highlighted it and copy it, and then I paste it in my Word document. So I do not use what it has given to me directly. I read it. I paraphrase it in my own word. But the beauty is it has saved the hassle of me looking for articles on various research database like Scholar, ResearchGate, PubMed, and all. So this app makes it easy for me. So that is how this is how you can supercharge your literature review using Elicit AI. Elicit AI, forgive me. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tools to make your research journey smoother. See you in the next video. Bye.